Hi guys, welcome back to a video. This is Venus Love, and today we're gonna make this girly pop, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comments. Okay, we are going to start now. Actually, I was scrolling through Pinterest and I saw this picture right here and I love it, and that's kind of what I decided to make the video. You're gonna grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and you're gonna place your hand, and you're gonna just draw the figure of your hand without counting your fingers, just only your thumb. And that's the beautiful pattern for today's project. It's quite simple, but I still love it, and I think it looks so pretty. And it's perfect for practicing your 7 skills. And it looks so pretty, and you can make so many, even for gifts for your friends, for your grandma. I don't know who else need it. I decided to use 2 different colors of fabric, one for the inside and the other one for the outside. I have this beautiful Hello Kitty fabric that I love so much, and you're gonna cut 2 pieces. Just make sure that when you cut the second one from the outside fabric is facing, a right size facing each other, so you know, like, exactly. And you will repeat the same process for the inside fabric, just 2 pieces, so we're gonna have 4 pieces of fabric for this project. And because this is something you use in the kitchen, so it have to be heat protected, I'm gonna use this fabric blanket, and I'm gonna cut it just exactly the same size of my outside pieces, because that's where I'm gonna attach it to it. You will cut 2 pieces of this one as well, just to let you know, okay? So now we have a total of 2 pieces for the inside, 2 pieces for the outside, and the inner blanket face, okay? Love you. So I have decided to start sewing the inside part of this project to just have it easier. It's the easiest part of the whole project. That's what I did at the first, and just gonna sew along. And this is how it looks. Just when you go into the core part, just slow down. Yum 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 yum. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna cut the excess of the fabric, and this is how cute it looks. Oh my god, I love it. And now for the outside pieces, I'm gonna attach the interface with the outside fabric, okay? I put little pins in that way the fabric doesn't move, and I decided to sew a straight line in the bottom of the piece, just like this. Wow. And I repeat the same process for the other piece. Now we have 2 pieces, and we're gonna attach it together, okay? And then we're gonna sew along all the borders. Make it easier, I decided to paint it outside in the edge, and that way it doesn't move around. And just be sure that it's attached to it and doesn't slide outside of it, okay? And this is how it looks. I decided to cut the edges to make it look cleaner, and it looks so cute. Now you see, yum 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 yum. It looks like a cute vlog. Now you're gonna grab your outside pieces that you sew at the beginning, and you're gonna flip it. I decided to iron it to make it easier. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. And then you're gonna put the outside piece and insert it inside of the outside piece, like that. So the outside piece is gonna show their sew, and the inside piece is not gonna show the sewing, okay? And after this, I'm gonna attach it in the bottom to make it easier. I'm gonna show you right now. and it's like this. And then I decided to cut the excess, and then I flip it to have the outside. Look how cute that is. I love it. I love it. I cut a little strap for the purple. It's the same with the inside. It's really small. I'm gonna just put it right here. Right? You guys can see it. Perfect. You guys like it? I'm gonna sew it, and then I got a bigger strap that I'm gonna put all around it. Okay, gonna be like this. What do you guys think? I'm thinking to add in a bow, but I'm not sure. And this is the end result. Wow. It's so cute. I really love it, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, that was the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please, if you have any questions, just put it down below and I will answer it for you. And don't forget to check my link for my Etsy shop. Okay, I love you. See you next week.